Penny's place, and I just want to share a little quick bird trick with you. As you know, I have cockatiels over here. There they are there. That's Chico, and that's Cha-Cha. Hi, Cha-Cha. Hi, Cha-Cha. Say hi. Hi, everybody. And Chico. Okay, this is Chico, and this is Cha-Cha. Oops, she fell off. And then, of course, we have the Conors. And we have the Quakers over here. Okay. Now I'm going to show you a little trick real fast. I know I've showed it once. I'm going to show it again because this is a money saver. You take a bag. This is KT. You can see it better back here. KT Bird. This is Healthy Support. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in this sifter. Oops, let's go. And then I'm going to shake it. See the seeds? The reason you do this is so that these seeds can be for parakeets, cockatiels, lovebirds, canaries. These are the little tiny seeds that they like. And then the bigger seeds that are still in here are for the bigger birds like Quakers and the Conors and the bigger birds that you might have. Okay, so you can buy one small bag of food and feed all the birds. And so what you end up with is the bigger seeds for the bigger birds and the smaller seeds for the smaller birds. And that's what I have for you today at Penny's place. Have a great day and enjoy your pets.